Oh no, what are we going to
Stop
do?
acting.
That was funny. I can't. Olive and wine right there together, Brian.
A perfect pair.
Look, I don't know what we're gonna do, but I think we're gonna go this
Walk
way.
around.
Oh, I can't, Brian, I can't.
Are you freaking kidding me? All this way, we're gonna have to turn back? How in the world are we gonna get to Rome?
All you do is walk around.
Oh, seriously?
You gotta be smarter than the gate.
Let me out! Let me out! Buongiorno!
Good morning.
We are walking a beautiful walk today. Michelle has feeling fully recovered.
Holy cow, yesterday was rough. I don't know the last time I've been that sick. It was really rough.
But we are walking today from Monterotondo to Monte Sacro. And it's a pretty much nice and easy, relatively flat, straight shot. We're walking through some beautiful farmland.
We saw St. Peter's Basilica.
We did have a little glimpse of Rome, and I didn't take video.
I know, we thought we were going to see it a second time. So we're like, oh, we'll get video when there's a better view. And there wasn't.
But we are definitely seeing lots of signs of civilization. And we are walking into the outskirts of Rome today.
I know, it's so exciting. So much civilization. We've already had a bar and gelato. And we're going to find a hamburger place.
Andiamo, let's go.
Let's go.
You made it!
Yay! Now get out of my way. I need food.
We have arrived.
We have arrived.
We have air conditioning.
I'm not sure if it's on. And honestly, I don't see it. Oh wait, it's off. First priority. So we have a little tiny room and I don't really care. Hold on, let me do the bed test. I won't touch more than this part. Oh, it's better than last night. Okay. I'll be right here.
Oh, there's a big old balcony.
Good.
Dry laundry.
We can dry laundry because guess what, you guys? We both stink really badly.
I smell completely and totally pleasant.
And there's a luggage rack and there's a place behind you, Brian, to put that. And there's a little refrigerator. Hopefully this one's on. And there's a desk because you guys know Brian does some work. And you know what I do? Nothing. I'm just useless. You guys, thank you so much for watching today. Thank you for being a part of this journey. It's hard, it's hot, and honestly, sharing it with you makes it a little bit easier. Your comments below, like, literally encourage us. Like, you would not believe they encourage us so much. So thank you for being a part of our journey. We appreciate you. Hey, guess what? Tomorrow, we'll be in Roma. Roma. And we are both so excited. Do you feel it?
One day more.
Oh, Brian, sing to us, please.